Hello all, welcome back to our favorite V and Data channel. Today let us work on the hands-on part of PCA using Python. Let us discuss this code snippet and execute it. Initially, the required packages are matplotlib.pyplot, numpy, pandas. From sklearn.data, we get a breast cancer dataset. From sklearn.preprocessing, we get standard scalar. From decomposition, dimension reduction decomposition, we get PCA. Now we are storing the cancer dataset to a variable cancer and then we print it. So let us see. Now we get a data in format of an array. As we get data from sklearn, it is in format of array. Then the target names are malignant and benign. Next we have features. All these are features and the feature names are mean radius, mean texture, mean perimeter and so on. We will have around 30 features. Next we create a data frame where the data will be from cancer dataset. These are the data, and then for column names we give the feature names of the cancer dataset. Then we print the data frame. Now let us execute this. Now we get the data and the column names as feature name. Here if we could see, we got all the data from that data set and the feature names will be the column names. So totally we get 569 rows and 30 columns. Next, scalar equal to standard scalar. To normalize the data, to scale the data, we pass standard scalar to scalar. Next, we fit the data to the scalar. Next, we transform the data. Scale df equal to scalar.transform of df. The data which is fitted is transformed now. So let us print this scaled df. Now the data which is in this range is changed to this format. And also it is transformed. So next, PCA equal to PC of n components, that is number of components, that is how much we are going to reduce the data. So here we give it as 2. Next we are fitting the scaled df to PCA and then we transform it. Now let us print the shape of scaled df and shape of x. So initially we had 569 rows and 30 columns. So let us see. So initially we had 569 rows and 30 columns, but after reducing the dimension using PCA, we get 569 rows and 2 columns. So all the features in 30 columns are compressed and in standard format and reduced to 2 without losing the features. Now let us see how this x looks like. Here x has only 2 columns with 569 rows after the reduction. Now let us visualize this. First PC, second PC. This 9.19 is first PC and 1.948 this is second PC. Now we visualize the target variable. Now it is differentiated easily based on the target. The first principal components are the yellow ones and the second principal component is the blue ones. Here we have given column 0 as first PC and column 1 as second PC. This is what PCA is. Here we only reduce the dimension, so the target value will remain the same. Here we only work with X values. Y values will not be changed. Okay. X value is reduced. It may be 1000 or 2000 or anything. We reduce it accordingly and use it for prediction, classification, regression like linear regression, logistic regression and so on. This is what dimension reduction using PCA. So in our next video, let us see about ML algorithm, but this PCA is not an ML algorithm. It is a technique. Okay, here we only reduce the dimension which can be used for machine learning. It is not a machine learning algorithm. So let us meet on our